Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Klarna payments on Shopify for US shoppers. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Klarna payments on Shopify for US shoppers, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left sidebar, click on the Settings option. From the Settings menu, select Payments. Scroll down to the Third-Party Providers section. Locate the Klarna option from the list of providers. If Klarna is not visible, use the search bar to find it. Click on the Klarna option to integrate it into your store. You will be redirected to Klarna's setup page. Follow the prompts to create a Klarna merchant account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, authorize Shopify to access your Klarna account. Return to your Shopify admin panel and confirm the settings. Make sure to enable Klarna as a payment option for your customers. Check your payment settings to ensure Klarna is properly listed. You may want to customize the Klarna payment messages displayed to shoppers. After configuring the settings, click Save to apply changes. Finally, test the checkout process to ensure Klarna payments are working seamlessly. Your Shopify store is now ready to offer Klarna as a payment option for US shoppers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.